Hi, welcome back to Swayam Prakasha. Do you find squaring numbers time consuming? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to do it in just a few seconds. We are going to learn a simple trick to square any two digit numbers. Let's try with an example. 29 square. Step 1, look at the rightmost digit. It is 9. Square it. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Write down 81. Step 2. Now take the leftmost digit. It is 2. Square it. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Write down 4. Step 3. Multiply both digits together and double it. 2 into 9 into 2 is equal to 36. Write 36 below 481 by leaving the ones place. Finally, add everything together. 1. Write as it is. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Write 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. We will get 841. So 29 square is equal to 841. Take one more example. 82 square. Step 1. Look at the rightmost digit. It is 2. Square it. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Look at carefully. We got single digit 4. If the result is a single digit, place a 0 in front of it. So, write down it as 0, 4. Step 2. Look at the leftmost digit. It is 8. Square it. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Write down 64. Step 3. Multiply both digits together and double it. 8 into 2 is equal to 32. Write 32 below 6404 by leaving the ones place. Then add everything together. 4 write as it is. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 6 write as it is. We will get 6724. So 82 square is equal to 6724. Let's quickly recap what we learned in our previous videos. The trick of squaring numbers that ends with 5. Take an example. 25 square. Here 25 ends with number 5. So step 1. Take the leftmost digit. It is 2. Multiply it by its successor. The successor means the next number after 2, which is 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Step 2. Now simply attach 25 to the result. That gives us 625. So 25 square is equal to 625. Take one more example. The number that ends with 5. 75 square. Step 1. The leftmost digit is 7 and its successor, that is the next number after 7, is 8. Multiply them. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Step 2. Attach 25 to the result. That gives us 5625. So 75 square is equal to 5625. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Swayam Prakasha for more amazing math tricks. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling, keep learning and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.